You went to the Tony Robbins seminar and they talk about nutrition there?
Yeah, it was all sorts. So there was like different sections. So one was like motivation, one was like just general like mental health and just general health. Another one was nutrition. And I think it was called something empowering the soul within or something like that. And it ended, the whole weekend ended in walking on do you know when you walk on like hot coals? So the whole weekend was building up to that event at the end, and that was like the big finale that everyone did. And I just remember, yeah, it was such a life changing experience, and we were there for 3 days, I think it was, at the Exxon Arena in Birmingham, and there were long days. There were like 9 to 5 every day, and there was hundreds and hundreds of people there, and it was such an empowering weekend, and yeah, it was what really kickstart us our kind of our family health kick, and we got home, chucked away all the junk food, ate a lot
Wow.
less, yeah, ate a lot less junk food then, but I was still having like crisps and chocolates in the week, and yeah, we all just went on a massive health kick.